Hello everyone. Welcome to Vidhera English. In this lesson, we are going to learn some powerful English vocabulary words in the easiest way possible. You will learn the meaning of each word, its different word forms, and practical examples that will help you use these words naturally in spoken English. So, let's get started. Now we will learn about the word achieve. Achieve means to successfully reach a goal through effort and hard work. Achieve is also used as a verb. It means to accomplish something. Example 1. She achieved her dream. Example 2. Hard work helps people achieve success. Now let's learn the noun form, achievement. Achievement means something successfully accomplished. Example 1. Passing the exam was a great achievement. Example 2. Winning the medal was his biggest achievement. Now let's learn the adjective form, achievable. Achievable means possible to accomplish. Example 1. Set achievable goals. Example 2. The target seems achievable. Now we will learn about the word wise. Wise describes a person who has knowledge, experience, and good judgment. Wise is an adjective. It means having good judgment. Example 1. It was a wise decision. Example 2. My grandfather is very wise. Now let's learn the noun form wisdom. Wisdom means the quality of having good judgment and experience. Example 1. Age often brings wisdom. Example 2. Her wisdom helped the team. Now let's learn the adverb form wisely. Wisely means in a sensible manner. Example 1. Spend your money wisely. Example 2. She wisely remained silent. Now we will learn about the word brief. Brief means short in time, length, or amount. Brief is also used as an adjective. It means short and concise. Example 1. We had a brief conversation. Example 2. Please give me a brief explanation. Now let's learn the noun form, brief. Brief means a short summary or instruction. Example 1. The manager gave us a brief before the meeting. Example 2. The lawyer prepared a legal brief. Now let's learn the adverb form briefly. Briefly means for a short time or in few words. Example 1. She briefly explained the topic. Example 2. He briefly mentioned his plans. Now we will learn about the word claim. Claim means to say strongly that something is true, often without complete proof. Can also mean asking for or receiving something that belongs to you. Claim is also used as a verb. It means to state something strongly or ask for something officially. Example 1. He claims that he can speak French. Example 2. You can claim your prize tomorrow. Claim is also used as a noun. Claim means a statement, demand, or request. Example 1. His claim surprised everyone. Example 2. The insurance claim was rejected. Now we will learn about the word threat. The word threat refers to anything that may cause harm, danger, damage, or problems in the future. It can also refer to a warning that someone may do something harmful. Threat is used as a noun. Threat means a danger or warning of possible harm. Example 1. Cybercrime is becoming a serious threat to businesses. Example 2. He received a threat after the argument. Now let's learn the verb form, threaten. Threaten means to warn someone of harm or to put something in danger. Example 1. She threatened to complain to the manager. Example 2. Pollution threatens marine life. Now we will learn about the word prominent. Prominent means important, famous, or easily noticed. Prominent is an adjective. Prominent means well-known or noticeable. Example 1. She is a prominent lawyer. Example 2. His nose is quite prominent. Now let's learn the noun form prominence. Prominence means importance or fame. Example 1. The company gained prominence quickly. Example 2. He rose to prominence at a young age. Now we will learn about the word unity. Unity means people being together and working as one group. Unity is used as a noun. Unity means togetherness and harmony. Example 1. Unity gives strength. Example 2. The crisis brought the family together in unity. Now let's learn the verb form unite. Unite means to bring together. Example 1. We should unite for a common cause. Example 2. The leader united the team. Now let's learn the adjective form, united. United means joined together. Example 1. The family remained united. Example 2. We need a united effort. Now we will learn about the word loyal. Loyal describes someone who remains faithful, supportive, and devoted to a person, group, or idea even during difficult times. Loyal is an adjective. Loyal means faithful and supportive. Example 1. She is loyal to her friends. Example 2. Many customers remain loyal to this brand. Now let's learn the noun form, loyalty. Loyalty means the quality of being faithful and supportive. Example 1. His loyalty impressed everyone. Example 2. Employee loyalty is important for a company. Now let's learn the adverb form, loyally. Loyally means in a faithful manner. Example 1. She loyally supported her friend. Example 2. The dog loyally followed its owner. Now we will learn about the word quit. Quit means to stop doing something or leave a job, habit, or activity. Quit is used as a verb. Quit means to stop or leave. Example 1. He quit his job last month. Example 2. You should quit smoking. Now let's learn the noun form, quitter. Quitter means a person who gives up easily. Example 1. Never think of yourself as a quitter. Example 2. She is not a quitter and keeps trying. Now we will learn about the word miserable. Miserable describes someone who is extremely unhappy, uncomfortable, or suffering. Miserable is an adjective. Miserable means very unhappy or uncomfortable. Example 1. He felt miserable after failing the exam. Example 2. The weather made everyone miserable. Now let's learn the noun form, misery. Misery means great unhappiness or suffering. Example 1. Poverty brings misery to many people. Example 2. She lived in misery for years. Now let's learn the adverb form, miserably. Miserably means in an extremely unhappy or unsuccessful manner. Example 1. The team performed miserably. Example 2. He failed miserably in the interview. Now we will learn about the word foe. A foe is an enemy or someone who opposes another person, group, or idea. Foe is used as a noun. Foe means an enemy or opponent. Example 1. The hero defeated his foes. Example 2. Stress is a major foe of good health. Now we will learn about the word rush. Rush means to move, act, or do something very quickly because there is little time. Rush is used as a verb. Rush means to hurry. Example 1. I rushed to catch the train. Example 2. Don't rush your decision. Rush is also used as a noun. Rush means a situation of great hurry. Example 1. There was a rush for concert tickets. Example 2. Morning rush makes traffic worse. Now we will learn about the word outskirts. Outskirts refers to the outer areas of a city or town, usually away from the busy center. Outskirts is used as a noun. Outskirts means the areas surrounding a city. Example 1. They live on the outskirts of Delhi. Example 2. A new factory was built on the outskirts of the city. Now we will learn about the word aware. Aware means having knowledge or understanding about something. Aware is an adjective. Aware means having knowledge of something. Example 1. I am aware of the problem. Example 2. She became aware of her mistake. Now let's learn the noun form, awareness. Awareness means knowledge or understanding. Example 1. The campaign increased awareness. Example 2. Environmental awareness is important. Now we will learn about the word sage. A sage is a person who is known for great wisdom and good judgment. Sage is used as a noun. Sage means a very wise person. Example 1. The old sage gave useful advice. Example 2. People came to seek guidance from the sage. Now we will learn about the word adverse. Adverse means unfavorable, harmful, or causing difficulties. Adverse is an adjective. Adverse means harmful or unfavorable. Example 1. The medicine had adverse effects. Example 2. They faced adverse weather conditions. Now let's learn the noun form, adversity. Adversity means difficulties and hardships. Example 1. He overcame many adversities. Example 2. Adversity often makes people stronger. Now we will learn about the word fragile. Fragile describes something that can be broken, damaged, or affected very easily. It may refer to objects, health, emotions, or relationships. Fragile is an adjective. Fragile means easily damaged or harmed. Example 1. This glass is very fragile. Example 2. His emotional state is quite fragile. Now let's learn the noun form, fragility. Fragility means the quality of being weak or easily damaged. Example 1. The accident reminded him of the fragility of life. Example 2. The country's economic fragility worried experts. Now we will learn about the word delicate. Delicate describes something that is fine, sensitive, soft, or requires careful handling. Delicate is an adjective. Delicate means easily damaged or sensitive. Example 1. She has delicate skin. Example 2. This is a delicate issue to discuss. Now let's learn the noun form, delicacy. Delicacy means the quality of being delicate or fine. Example 1. Everyone admired the delicacy of the artwork. Example 2. The fabric is known for its delicacy. Now we will learn about the word tease. Tease means to make fun of someone playfully or to annoy someone repeatedly. Tease is used as a verb. Tease means to make jokes about someone or annoy them. Example 1. My friends tease me about my accent. Example 2. Stop teasing your brother. Now let's learn the noun form, teasing. Teasing means the act of playfully making fun of someone. Example 1. His teasing made everyone laugh. Example 2. She became upset because of constant teasing. Now we will learn about the word pace. Pace refers to speed or the rate at which something happens. Can also mean walking back and forth repeatedly. Pace is used as a noun. Pace means speed or rate. Example 1. Everyone learns at a different pace. Example 2. The pace of life is becoming faster. Pace is also used as a verb. Pace means to walk repeatedly in one place. Example 1. He paced around the room nervously. Example 2. She paced while waiting for the results. Now we will learn about the word cliché. A cliché is an idea, phrase, or expression that has been used so much that it no longer feels original. Cliché is used as a noun. Cliché means a common idea, phrase, or expression that has been used too many times. Example 1. Follow your dreams has become a cliché. Example 2. The movie was full of clichés. Now we will learn about the word disclose. Disclose means to reveal or make information known. Disclose is used as a verb. Disclose means to reveal information. Example 1. He refused to disclose his salary. Example 2. The company disclosed new details. Now let's learn the noun form, disclosure. Disclosure means the act of revealing information. Example 1. The disclosure shocked everyone. Example 2. Full disclosure is necessary. Now we will learn about the word plead. Plead means to ask for something in a very emotional and serious manner. Plead is used as a verb. Plead means to beg strongly. Example 1. She pleaded for another chance. Example 2. The child pleaded with his parents. Now let's learn the noun form, plea. Plea means an emotional request. Example 1. His plea touched everyone. Example 2. They ignored her plea for help. Now we will learn about the word culminate. Culminate means to reach the highest point or end in a particular result after a series of events. Culminate is used as a verb. Culminate means to end or result in something. Example 1. Years of effort culminated in success. Example 2. The festival culminated in a grand ceremony. Now let's learn the noun form, culmination. Culmination means the final result or highest point. Example 1. Winning the award was the culmination of her hard work. Example 2. This event marked the culmination of months of planning.